Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else don't like you do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you.
Welcome back, guys. So today I'm here with Glammane hair. All right, this is the package. Okay, so it's really cute. Has these cards on the inside, which pretty much just shows hair care, and you know, one telling you that you're invited to their social media platforms. So we have this 2 bags. All right, which I'm guessing the wig is in here. We're gonna see what's in the smaller bag. Also got this rat tail edge brush and comb, and everything is branded. I really like that. In here has some goodies. So I have a pair of wig caps, I have this bonnet and it's branded Glammane, and then finally in here I got this elastic headband and it's branded as well. Then in the bag we have the wig. Okay, so let's get into it. Okay, so this feels so good already. Oh my god, this is like butter. You guys see this moving? I actually love this. Wow, this is actually a 5x5 HD lace closure bob, and it is 12 inches long. I'm gonna put the exact density in my description box, but guys, the knots are already pre-bleached for you, and it's already pre-plucked as well. It's not too dense in the hairline. I love that. It looks very realistic. It's a natural 1B color. The construction of the wig is on a dome cap. Okay, so that's literally all that you have: the dome cap and the adjustable elastic band. So you know what this is, right? This is a gorgeous glueless wig, and it is just stunning. Honestly, love this. It looks so good and it feels even better. Like 5x5, you know, a nice standout space to work with as a closure wig, and it's laying very flat, so that looks very realistic. This is gonna be perfect for all my beginners. I just know it. It's so silky and smooth. Like, look at that movement. It's like butter. So you know what, we're gonna jump into this very easy and quick installation. Let's go. Adjust it to how tight or loose you want it to be. This is what has the power in keeping the wig glueless, because then with this you don't need any adhesive, and it depends on how snug it is on your head that it will stay. So slip this on. Okay, that's how it looks right when I slip it on. It looks amazing. All I'm gonna need to do is just use my hot comb to, you know, tape the top, because you know, based on how it was probably in the bag, it's a little puffy there, but it is not dense at all. So we're gonna just work on that with the pressing the hot comb, and I'm gonna run through it with my flat iron. There is just a bit of the lace that has absolutely no hair. Like, I don't know if you can see, like half of an inch on the front. So what I'm gonna do is cut away just that bit. Just take your time and cut away that excess. So you see, immediately you can see a big difference. Like absolutely no casty vibe. It doesn't look casty at all, and I am loving it. So all I'm gonna work on is really the top portion before I even run through it with my flat iron. This is so convenient. I'm gonna do my wax stick. You guys know it's definitely a staple product.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. There's no one else to do what you do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million.
So I love how undetectable like the lace is. Like, you can tell there's no cast, there's nothing. It looks even better already. What I'm gonna do now is run through the entire wig with the flat iron, and this is gonna be very easy and quick.
All day long, your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Oh my gosh, I already know that I'm rating this a 20 out of 10. The quality of this wig has thoroughly been great. No shedding, by the way. I haven't been getting any shedding, like, so that's a great sign. That is a great sign, and I love that. Love this bob. Like, if you have a bob and it doesn't move like this, don't even bother. Don't even bother. This is it. Okay? No baby hairs needed, no soups, nothing. This is the perfect silky straight 12-inch bob. The perfect. You hear what I tell you? Perfect. You do not need any experience to install this wig on your own. Like, what more could you ask for? Look at, come on now. Come on now. Glammane, it's the first time I'm trying a wig from them, and they definitely impressed me. They did what needed to be done. They did that. Like, when you have on bob like this, you know what, start move your head, because like, the motion of the wig, girl, yeah, they did it. They did it. So there you have it for another quick, easy, glueless wig, a bob to be specific. I am honestly loving this. Like, it's beautiful, honestly and truly. I'm being 100% with you guys. I'm not around it at all. If you guys like what you saw today, if you found it informative, go ahead and give this video a thumb up. If you're interested in getting this bob for yourself or for someone else, the direct link to it will be in my description box, so feel free to go ahead and check out down below. I listed all the necessary information you guys need down there. If there are any codes, any sale, like discount codes, or any sale, any deal, you know, I'm always trying my best to look out for you guys, so you can check down below as well for that. But that's it for today's wig look, guys. It is bomb, super sleek. You're going for a very sleek, clean hair look. This is 100% it. 100%. Like, look no further. Okay, but yeah, that's it. Shout out to Glammane once more for this bomb wig, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just gonna be open this up.